Castor oil and baking soda, an unlikely duo, but trusted by old doctors. They treated 11 common health issues with this blend, and you'll see results in just 48 hours. Joint pain, massage on aching joints to reduce inflammation. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid and baking soda's neutralizing properties work together for fast relief. Banish skin blemishes, apply to acne or dark spots. It exfoliates and fights bacteria, giving your skin a glow. Warts and moles disappear. Apply the mix, cover, and watch them shrink daily. Hair regrowth, massage into your scalp. Castor oil nourishes, and baking soda clears pores. Nail fungus gone. Apply to nails daily to banish fungus. It balances pH and attacks fungi, insect bites and bruises. Reduce swelling fast with this anti-inflammatory duo. Ease constipation. A teaspoon of castor oil with baking soda in water stimulates bowels. Heal cracked heels. Apply, cover overnight, and wake up to softer feet. Sinus relief. Inhale steam with a dash of this mix for decongestion. Soothe burns. Apply a thin layer on minor burns for instant relief. Teeth whitening, brush gently with it for a brighter smile. This mix is scientifically backed and cost-effective. Try it? If you're amazed by these benefits, hit that like button and share.